We are here at the total demolition site. This project is a complete project. First we had to remove all the asbestos from the building. We also removed all of the valuable items that have been found in the building that can be directly reused. And now we are busy taking apart the interior. To make sure that we can separate all of these materials in a quick way, we use a lot of different machines. Some very small cranes that we put inside of the buildings, but also some small bobcats to make sure that the materials that we separate are actually taken out of the building in a quick manner. We are demolishing this interior with a pre-demolition phase. In this phase we try to separate as many of the materials found in the interior as possible. For example, the bricks you find here on the ground, which is a separate stream from the aluminum that you see over there. Also, the insulation is a separate stream of material that we will send away to different recycling agencies. Some of the materials that we have found in this interior can be seen around you. Over here you see some bricks. On this side you see some old insulation foam. And over there you can see the aluminum that has been found in the interior. We try to separate that as good as possible, and we put them in the containers so they can be reused by our recycling partners. Here we assemble all of the different materials and items which can be directly reused. We find people who really want to use, for example, these lights fixtures in the way they were used before. Also, these smoke detectors can be reused if we find the right people to reuse them. In this container you see a collection of valuable metals that we found inside of the building. You see a lot of copper, which is very valuable, but also metals like lead. There's also copper in the electrical wiring, and we have to separate the plastic from this wire to make the metal more pure and more valuable. The pre-demolition phase takes about 25% of the whole time of this project. After this, we'll be taking down the complete structure that remains, and when this structure is taken down up to ground level, we'll excavate all of the earth on the side of the cellar, and then we even take out the complete cellar structure and all of these materials. After this, our project will be done and we'll deliver this building site clean to our client.